In this video, you'll learn how to manage members for your yoga studio using Yogapify. This feature allows you to manage active and inactive members, handle new member join requests, and keep all member details organized in one place. Let's begin on the dashboard. Click on Members from the left side menu to open the member page. When the Members section opens, Active in Batch is selected by default. Here, you'll see a list of all members who are currently active in batches. Active members are those who have been successfully assigned to a batch. Click on the menu icon next to any member. You'll see multiple options including View Member, Edit Member, Reminder Configuration, Note, and Remove from Batch. When you click on View Member, it opens the member detail page where you can see all information related to that member. Next, click on Edit Member to update the member's details. This will open a pop-up where you can edit most of the member information. Please note that the batch cannot be changed from this screen. If you need to move a member to a different batch, you must first remove them from the current batch and then add them to a new batch. Click Update to save the changes. When you click on Reminder Configuration, a Reminder Settings pop-up will open. Here, you can enable or disable reminder notifications using the toggle. You can also update the next due amount, change the due amount, and modify the monthly due date using the drop-down options. After making these changes, click Save to apply the updates to the selected member. Watch our separate video on reminder configuration to understand when and how to use it. After configuring reminders, you'll also find a Note option. By clicking on Note, you can view notes added for the member. You can use this section to add important information about the member, such as health issues, the main reason they joined, or the progress they have made. These notes can be edited at any time by clicking Edit. Next, click Remove from Batch. Use this option if a member has left your batch temporarily or permanently. A warning pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the removal. Please note that this action will remove all payment reminders related to that batch. You can still access the member's details under the Inactive Member section. Once confirmed, the member will be moved from the active list to the inactive list. One important note: if you are adding a member directly through any method other than the landing page, make sure the member has already paid or has clearly committed to paying a known amount on a specific date. People who have not paid or have not made a clear commitment should be treated as leads, not members. Such users should be added through the Lead Management module. Watch our separate video on Lead Management to learn more. Click the Inactive in Batch tab to view members who were originally part of a batch but have become inactive due to various reasons. We refer to them as inactive members. Click the Member menu next to a member. You see two options: Make Active and Add to another batch. When you click Make Active, the Edit Member pop-up opens, allowing you to assign the member back to the same batch they were previously part of. This usually happens when a member takes a short break of 1 or 2 weeks and you have agreed to their request. Once assigned, the member becomes active again and moves to the Active in Batch tab. In the Inactive section, when you click Add to another batch, the Edit Member pop-up opens again, allowing you to assign the member to a different batch. After assignment, the member becomes active in the new batch. Use this option when a member wants to change batches. First, make the member inactive in the current batch. Once they are inactive, assign them to the new batch. Please remember, a single member can be part of more than one batch at the same time. In the members list, the same member will appear multiple times, each with its own batch name and batch ID. You can also make a member inactive in one batch while keeping them active in another. Removing a member from one batch does not affect their status in other active batches. When a member pays for the first time and becomes your member, you need to approve their payment here. When you click on New Member Join Request, you see people who have requested to join your studio through your landing page. When you click a request, a pop-up will show their details including name, mobile number, payment amount, payment reference, and invoice value. You can reject the request to cancel it. If you approve the request, Yogapify will ask if you want to generate and share an invoice. Click Generate Invoice to create the invoice. Once generated, the member will receive a WhatsApp message with the invoice link. After the invoice is generated, the member will be added to your active member list. Please note that when a member makes a renewal payment, the payment approval will be handled from the Payment and Invoices module. To quickly find a member, use the search bar at the top of the members page. You can search using the member's name, email ID, mobile number, or member ID or batch ID. The list updates instantly, helping you locate the right member in seconds. With Yogapify, managing your members becomes simple, organized, and effortless.